What is the role of biomethane in Europe?
The role is very important because year after year we need additional renewable source of energy, and biomethane can be an important source for two different reasons. Because from one side we can increase the level of production of feed, not only for the traditional use and for feeding livestock, but also for bioenergy. From the other side, it is clear that we need to reduce CO2 emission and in transport, but also in other energy use. Biomethane it is quite better than fossil fuel. We have to increase biomethane production across Europe, and from my point of view, we have to increase biomethane production not using traditional food production, because it is not useful to produce food for making late a different use for production of energy. We have to increase the level of total amount of production of feed for having good material, and also using waste and food waste for increasing the availability of material for anaerobic digestion.
And how is biomethane developed in Europe today compared to other countries in the world, and which are the leading countries?
We are working well in this field, and year after year we are growing an increasing number of plantations. But they are not spread equally across Europe, because in the northern part we have the larger number of plantation, and we have not enough plantation in the southern part of Europe. We have some countries, the southern part of Italy, the southern part of Spain, the southern part of Greece, that are not involved in the process. And we need to involve all the areas with different scheme. We have listened today that with double crops, probably we can offer more material for anaerobic digestion than with the previous period, and we can achieve better result also in the southern region of Europe.
Okay, and so why there's such a difference between North and South Europe? Is there any reason?
Yes, from my point of view, there is a basic reason. That is that in the southern part we have less level of production due to the dry weather condition. We need to use more digestate for increasing the level of organic substances in the soil. That is one of the main topics that we have discussed today with Mr. Dale on biogas done right.
Okay. And can we expect an increase for the next years?
Oh yes, I think that year after year we are going to increase the level of biomethane production, but we have also to think how we can use also the production of biomethane for increasing the production of other materials like bioplastic and so on. This is the future, and I think that will be very important for all the European citizens.